Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about blower wheel for Blodgett part number 15853. A blower wheel is a fan-like device that is used to move air in an HVAC system. The Blodgett part number 15853 blower wheel is a direct replacement for Blodgett ovens. It is made of steel and has a diameter of 8.5 inches. The wheel has 4 blades and is designed to move air at a rate of 350 cfm. It also features a 5/16" bore and 5/8" hub length. This blower wheel helps to circulate air throughout the oven, ensuring even cooking temperatures and consistent results. This part fixes the following symptoms. This blower wheel is used to replace a worn or damaged blower wheel in a Blodgett oven. It can help to reduce noise, improve airflow, and increase the efficiency of the oven. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the back panel of the oven and locate the blower wheel. 3. Remove any screws or fasteners that are holding the blower wheel in place. 4. Carefully remove the old blower wheel and discard it. 5. Place the new Blodgett part number 15853 blower wheel into position and secure it with any screws or fasteners that were removed earlier. 6. Reattach the back panel of the oven and restore power to the oven. 7. Test 2. Make sure that the new blower wheel is working properly before using your oven again. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.fpsccom to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.